Hello, I'm Carol Den Hartog with Amazing Business Results, and today we're going to talk about basic modules inside of Zoho Recruit. So Zoho Recruit, just like any Zoho application, has modules. So modules are these things on the top of the screen here, and they are buckets of information, really. So the ones that we'll be most commonly using inside of Recruit will be job openings, candidates, applications, and interviews. So for example, job openings are going to be all of the different job openings or the positions that you have available at your company. The candidates will be the people that are applying for the job openings. The application will be just that, their application for the job opening. And then our interviews will be the interviews that we're having with the candidates to see if they are suitable for that role. And so all of these modules are interlinked with each other. So they'll talk to each other. Candidates, for example, is linked inside of job openings. So they're all intertwined in some way. We also, just like in Zoho CRM, we have tab groups. So we can create a tab group here. And what this is going to do is it's going to keep your person using the system from being overwhelmed, because instead of seeing all of the modules in the system, they'll only see the ones that they need to use. So for example, if we create one called Recruiter, and then we'll give them access to job openings, applications, candidates, and interviews. And let's say that's all they need to see. And then the profile, we'll add it to standard and employee and hiring manager, so anybody can see this tab group. And then we'll save that. So now if we click on Recruiter on our tab group, the only modules we're going to see are the ones we need to use. So now we just have job openings, candidates, applications, and interviews. So that just makes it a little bit user-friendly for your recruiter or whoever is using Zoho Recruit. So I hope that helps. And if you run into any issues while you're setting up Zoho Recruit, please feel free to reach out to us at Amazing Business Results, and we'll be happy to help you.